Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone, and today in this video I'm going to talk about the idiom or the saying all ears. All ears. All body, maybe ears, means this is used when we want to say that we are eager to know. Okay, something has happened and someone knows about that, and then we tell them that we are all ears. To be all ears. We say that we are all ears. It means that we're not going to say anything. We're going to be silent and listen to you. We are eager. We are very attentively are going to listen to you. Okay, means that we are very eager to get the information. We are thirsty for those words. Okay, so when you want to show how you like to know about something, then you say I am all ears. For example, something happens, someone goes to a room, talks to some people and comes out of the room. The person knows what has been, what has happened, what the decision has been, or what the words been, what they have talked about, all those things. Then we go to the person and say, come on, tell me. I'm all ears. Means I am going to listen to you. I like to know about this. So you show your eager. Okay, you show your interest. You show your how you like it. Okay, so we use it to say that we are attentively listening, or we're going to listen. All right. So now let's look at the examples. It's very simple. So to be all ears, am all ears, is all ears, or was all ears, or we are all ears. So we just change the subject and we changed it to be accordingly. But it is mainly, not always, but mainly used with first person, singular, I, or plural, we. I am all ears, or we are all ears. Sometimes we may use you are all ears, she is all ears, or he is all ears, but mainly we use it with I and we. Alright? Alright, now let's look at the example, the first one. Tell me what happened. I'm all ears. Tell me what happened. So I am asking someone to tell me something. That is what happened. Something has happened and I want to know. When I say I'm all ears, means I'm showing I'm interested in that. I'd like to know about it. I'm not going to say anything, I'm going to listen to you. I am ears, I'm not mouth. Means I'm not going to talk, I'm going to listen only. Idiomatically, we're saying that we are going to listen, we are going to have ears only. Okay? Another, in a conversation maybe, someone says, do you want to know why I broke up with my girlfriend? Do you want to know something? And we can say yes, or we say yes, I like to know, or yes, I would like to know. But when I say I am all ears, it is more than that. It shows the interest in a higher level. Okay, it shows how interested I am. Yeah, I'm all ears. Tell me. Okay, so if I say yeah, tell me, means yeah, I'd like to know. Okay, but when I say I'm all ears, means yes, definitely. Brings it up. Another one, the wife says, are you listening to me? And the husband says, yes, I'm all ears. So yes, I'm paying attention, I'm listening. It doesn't mean that, yeah, come on, tell me. It means that, yeah, I was listening to you, I got what you said, I am paying attention to you. For example, the husband is busy watching something maybe, or doing something on a phone, or busy doing something while listening to the wife. Wife is wondering if the husband is listening or not, and the person says, I'm all ears, means I am listening. This is not distracting me. Okay, so you might have the same or similar expression or saying in your language. What is all ears in your language? You might have something similar, or maybe exactly the same thing. I'd be glad to see that if you commented below this video. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye!